Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 16th of June and I'll be going over week 24 25's results for the front testing of the SPY's days open, day close strategy. So without further ado, we can see that on the 10th we made a loss of 0.466%. On the 12th we had a sell signal and another huge, so this week was just all losses. So we had another huge loss of 0.54%. On the 12th we had a buy signal where we made a loss of $532.71, which is 0.052%. Next, on the 13th, we had a buy signal where we made a loss of $1,376.2, obviously not including transaction charges. But after transactions, it's a minus 0.13%. Well, it's a 0.13% loss. And then on the last day, the 14th, we had another loss of 0.35%. So that brought our alpha from minus 3.58% at the end of last week to minus 6.753% at the end of this week. So not a good week at all. So thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.